So I would like to invite CoolZone on stage.
Great. So the stage is yours, questions.
Welcome everyone. We are CoolZone. We are 2 business students, 2 environmental engineers, and 1 robotic engineer. We want to do exactly what we just heard. We want to act. We don't want to talk, we want to act. So we found a problem. 5.5% of all the CO2 emissions in Denmark actually come from supermarkets. So we see a market there. We want to, actually by doing a small step for a man, or in my case a woman, we want to create a gigantic leap for mankind. But what do I mean by that? Martin, please continue.
Introducing piezo electric tiles. So we will use the piezoelectric effect, meaning we will use piezoelectric materials. So the material, when it deforms, when we put this under mechanical stress, it produces electric voltage, electric current. So we'd like to get this technology, build the tiles, and harvest energy during our walk over the supermarket. So we found out that each tile, the technology behind it, and each tile with each step can produce up to 10 watts of energy. We'd like to set up a panel as 10 tiles and sell it as a piece, as a complete piece, as a mat to the supermarket. We'd like also to connect all sense to our products to gather information of how much energy we are actually producing. And of course we'll use recyclable materials, meaning it's going to be mainly rubber, stainless steel, and recycled plastic. We want to have the whole panel as a plug-and-play device, so after a complete installation in the supermarket, sometimes the store owner wants to rearrange the shelves, so then the piece could be lifted up, placed in other crucial place.
What about the design? Well, our first priority, as you can see, is to make sure that all the customers will walk over our product. How we do that? We do more with less. And that's why we choose to put our product in the entrance, the exit, and the cashier of each grocery. Now, let's talk about the electronics. So the energy flow goes like that. Customers will walk over our device, and the energy either will flow in batteries, either will charge directly their electronic devices.
Now our solution in numbers. Based on 20 customers per hour going to a supermarket, we will actually produce with one of our products, so we are always talking about this 2 meter times 80 centimeters, we will produce 18 kilowatt hours per day. So this would actually save the supermarket 1% of the annual energy cost. 1% is not much, but we are still talking about this one product, which is 80 centimeters times 2 meters. So if we scale it up, there it's getting interesting.
Getting into the fun part, business and money. Our value proposition is two-sided. First of all, our customers, the supermarkets, will be able to reduce their energy consumption costs and also their dependency by creating their very own energy. Also, they would be able to gain consumer insights with our application. On the other hand, shoppers would contribute to a better tomorrow without changing anything in their shopping behaviors. Also, they would get rewards through our application. With every step, they will get a point, which they see immediately on the application, and that they can use for discounts at the retailers. Of course, that would increase the brand loyalty. But if I think about as a shopper, I go in the shop, I see a nicely designed mat, I know that that improves our life, our environment, I also get discounts for that. Honestly, I would just dance around on it. To support our business model, we created the process. Of course, Danfoss would be the one having the product, so Danfoss would produce it, then sell it or lease it to the supermarkets. The maintenance would be done by third-party electricians going to the shops and installing them in closed hours. Also, the maintenance would be Danfoss' responsibility. We dedicated a 6 month period of time to test our solution in the smart stores. Then we would like to target Danish supermarket chains and finally scale internationally. To support the scaling, we came up with 2 different models for the pricing. We would either sell our product to supermarkets or lease it. You can see that the supermarkets can save around 140 euros per month, and our leasing fee would be neither the half of it. After calculating all of our revenue and cost, we can see that we can have a positive net increase in cash already in the second part of 2024. At the end of the 5 period of time, we would be able to have 1.5 million euros net increase.
Now you might understand what I said at the beginning. The one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Thank you very much.